guys, so wanna win sugar products worth rupees 2000? Well, then you have to watch this video till the end to know about it.
Hi guys, welcome back to Sugar Cosmetics YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna create this glam makeup look which is very easy and simple to create. So if you wanna know how I achieved this beautiful glam makeup look, then please do continue watching. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to Sugar Cosmetics YouTube channel yet, then please take a moment to do so. I'm beginning with a contouring powder. This is the Contour de Force Mini Bronzer in the shade Caramel Captain, and just applying that to the crease as a transition. For eyeshadow, it's going to be very simple. So first I'm going to take this liquid eyeshadow duo in the shade Champagne and Caviar. First I'm taking the matte side, which is a beautiful mauvey pink color, and applying that to the outer V of my eyes and blending it out using a blending brush. Now I'm going to use the shimmer liquid eyeshadow and just apply it on the empty space of the eyelids and blend it out using a blending brush. For eyeliner, I'm taking the Twist and Shout Kajal in the shade Black Velvet, and I'm using my foundation tube as a guide to create my winged eyeliner, and slowly and gently I'm creating a very thin, nice winged eyeliner. Not gonna take it all the way towards the inner corners of my eyes. I'm stopping midway and then I'm gonna smudge it out for a smoky eyeliner effect. To prime my face, I'm using the Aquaholic Priming Moisturizer, which is a beautiful hydrating primer as well as a moisturizer infused in one kind of a product, and just blending it out thoroughly to hydrate and prime my skin so that the makeup on top sits properly. For foundation, I'm using a full coverage foundation. This is the Rage for Coverage foundation in the shade Americano. I'm applying a little bit of the foundation gently and slowly and dabbing it to get a seamless finish and a full coverage. Concealer, I'm using the Magic Wand concealer in the shade Corn Panna and applying that on the under eyes as well as on the center of my face to conceal and highlight. And then I'm going to use a concealer blending brush to blend everything in properly. To set the base makeup, I'm using the Dream Cover Compact Powder in the shade Americano and setting and locking my entire base makeup in place using a powder brush. Once that is done, I'm gonna chisel my feature using the same Caramel Captain bronzer, applying it to the hollows of the cheeks, the perimeters of my forehead, my jawline, and also on the sides of the nose. To add a bit of color to my cheeks, I'm using the Contour de Force Mini Blusher in the shade Mauve Marble, which is such a pretty mauvey blusher and it is also matte, and just popping that to the apples of my cheeks for that youthful effect. To add a bit of glow, I'm using the Contour de Force Mini Highlighter in the shade Metal Medal, which is a beautiful golden highlighter which works on dusky complexion so beautifully. So I'm just applying that to the tops of the cheekbones, on the bridge of the nose, and also to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. Now I'm going to finish off the eye makeup with a nice volumizing mascara. This is the Lash of Titan's volumizing mascara, and applying several coats of this to my top and bottom eyelashes. For lipstick, I've chosen a beautiful, bold, deep, berry pink kind of a lip color. This is the Matte Azale Lip Crayon in the shade Baby Houseman, which is a beautiful creamy lipstick but settles down to a completely matte finish in a while. So I'm just applying that all over the lips. To set and lock my entire makeup in place, I'm using the Grand Finale Setting Mist in a matte variant, and here is the final finished glam makeup look, which was so easy and quick to create.
Well, that's it for today. So guys, here's the time for the surprise. All you have to do is keep showering us with all your love by liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on our channel, and we will pick a lucky winner every single week as a fan, and you will be getting some exciting sugar products. So keep the comments and likes coming. Good luck!